2018 Nissan Titan Pro-4X 5.6 liter, I think, V8. They're still doing the Titans in V8s. I don't know if the new ones are going to be V6 or not. I hope not. I hope they keep the V8s in them. Anyways, look at that bright yellow. I like it. It's a two-tone. It's different. I haven't seen one of these. It's cool. What do you think of the color?
Sunshine yellow.
Sunshine yellow. Reminds you of Florida, don't it? Anyways, 4 catalytic converters. 2 there, up here, so you can see the second. Usually wires into a single at the muffler, but we took that off and installed the Borla Pro-XS because, you know, why not? He didn't want it too loud. He wanted just a nice deep tone. He came all the way from Alabama and said, well, I got to come to Exhaust Addicts to get hooked up. And we said, we got you. Here's the part number on the Borla, 40349. Came out really nice. Look at that. Clean. And you have to do an elbow on it, as you guys can see, to make it fit. The nice thing about Borlas, they're bi-directional, so you can do it either way. You can flip them backward, forward, because they're straight through design inside with a little curve. They're really good for drone. If you guys don't like drone, that's the one you want to go with, the Borla Pro-XS. Then 3-inch tailpipe, and it's got a baby resonator there. That'll help a little bit more. And then we finished it off nicely with a 4-inch Natami black tip, double wall. As you guys can see, just clean, nice, nothing crazy. There it is, right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. And here's the muffler that was on it that I was telling you about. It's dual in, single out, right there. We cut it off and replaced it to give him some more tone. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. So it's called Solar Flare Yellow. Solar Flare Yellow, if anybody was wondering. Oh yeah. When you really get on it, you hear it. But when it's like idle, but it's quiet. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. It's clean. Let it idle. Very quiet at idle too. Look. Can barely hear it. Give it gas now. That's perfect. 91, 95 when you really get on it. It's about 98, 99 once you get on it. Just what the doctor ordered. We appreciate you bringing it down to us, man.
Well, I appreciate your videos. I've been watching.
I appreciate it. That's what we did them for, to give people an idea, you know? Yeah. It helps a lot of people out to decide what they want. That sounds really good. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital at 3560 Dickerson Road. Oh, it sounds phenomenal. I like it. Perfect for a working man who wants just a little bit of sound, nothing crazy. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan 5.6 liter with sun flare yellow color. That's what they call it. Borla Pro-XS. Perfect. What do you guys think? It's perfect for a nice subtle deep tone.